Hello Cancerians, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to read the cards for you for the month of August 2021. We will see what energies are you inviting from the universe, what are your problem areas in this month. So let's get ahead. Okay. The very first card, and this month the kind of cards I have got, the kind of spread I have got in front of me, the four focused card and for this month which represent every week of the month are talking about a lot of disturbance in thoughts, your thought process, Cancerians. And why is it there? So let me just explain your mindset right now to you. You don't want to spend too much. You are becoming a little miser when it comes to money. You are and what are you really refraining yourself from? Well, you're refraining yourself from spending on luxury, party, get-togethers. You just don't want to be a part of that. So that's something which look like a little bit of a problem here. You're missing your family, you're away from your family, and I think family is something which you're really missing right now. This person has become a very cold person. He has actually got himself in a room and then he doesn't want to talk to anyone. That's the kind of energies I am getting for Cancerians in this first month. Being in your own thought process, are you hurt? Looks like you're hurt by someone, and this is why you put yourself under a shell right now. You don't want to get out of that shell in this entire process here. Other than that, I also feel that there are two people in your life who are actually becoming a problem area in your life. Now this first person is an authoritative person, a very aggressive person in nature. For female Cancerians, this looks like their husband. So their spouse is someone who's actually behaving like this. For male Cancerians, this is again your spouse who's actually acting a little aggressive in this month, and that has become a problem area for you. You're not able to manage their energies in this month, that is actually very problematic for you. You're very maybe at what happens, there are two kind of a people. So one person will be like that. If you try to pressurize that person and you put pressure on that person, he or she will get into their shell. So this is the kind of person you have become in this month. The other set of people will be someone, if you put pressure on them, they will actually just burst out. But then you are not that person in this month. Absolutely no. Maybe you want to go out, you want to have some time with your friends, your family, you want to be like a free bird, but then that's something which is actually getting that wish is not getting fulfilled in this month, and this is why you are very upset that I don't have the kind of life I always wanted. So that's the problem area. Now the kind of state of mind you are in right now, with that, where are you reaching in the second week? Well, the second week actually takes you where? It takes you here. It takes you to a state of confusion. You're confused. And this state of mind is not a mind which takes right decisions. So this person is actually getting confused between options. Every option will look lucrative to you. Trust me. You touch something and you will see, oh my God, there are opportunities here. But trust me, that opportunity is not a real opportunity. So stay away. Stay away. Take a break. Just be calm, composed. Don't take any decisions in the second week categorically. Because if you take any decisions, what will happen? Well, a decision making will take you here. Even if decisions are sound decisions and you will gain something out of that, still that sense of satisfaction will not be there. You will always focus on the negatives of the life rather than the positives, because this month is all about that. Dissatisfaction, confusion. See who has appeared to make it all the more worse, rather. Look at it. You've got the devil. Devil is actually making you choose between two things. This cannot be. I was saying confused. Maybe I think confused is a understatement. Devil is accompanying you here. Devil will not let you take the right decision. Devil will make you confused. Devil will always keep you confused and in a state of mind where you're not able to make choices. You will always be confused. Your mind will be so that You might get attracted to different energies, different people, even if you are in a relationship right now. Devil will play around with your mind. So that's why I said don't take any decisions. See, Devil actually made it all the more clear. So this month is not at all about decision making, Cancerans. So don't make any important decisions of life. Buying clothes, buying, small stuff is something which are small decisions, are not going to leave that kind of an impact on your life. But um, big decisions of life, moving out of your away from your partner, can be like a hasty decision taken in a fit of anger that will actually make you repent your decision later. So please don't do that. Don't do things which you will regret later. Okay, so that regression is something I'm sure you don't want to get into that. Well, the third week is about so few of you, what energies I feel and read is that few of you might take a decision wherein you will actually move out of a relationship. Okay, you will actually want to get out of a relationship, but there also the person whom you're actually trusting, and you're moving out of your house, your partner, away from your child. You're going to get a betrayal there from that person. He will do something behind your back, or she'll do something behind your back, which will actually put your reputation down. So this month, your emotions, your reputation, your feelings, your decision making, everything is at stake. So don't take any important decisions in this month. Keep your emotions in control. Keep yourself in control. Yes, if you want to just lock yourself in a room and then don't want to talk to anyone, I will say that will be a little like, be on a higher side. But then, yeah, don't share your thoughts with anyone, because it is going to hurt your own reputation only, because the state of mind is so please be careful, Cancerans. This month is a little critical month, so please take care of yourself, because end of the month, if you do not control yourself, if you actually uh, become the prey of these negative energies, then you will feel like this is a state of depression. And then depression comes, you feel like you are good for nothing, nothing can be better in your life, whatever has happened with me, I always deserved it, I am good for nothing. So just to avoid those energies, just to avoid that situation, my suggestion to you will be that please be positive as much as you can. Since this month is going to be a little tricky in terms of emotions and managing the emotions, if possible, use a rose quartz for yourself. Do meditate with rose quartz. It's a very, very powerful stone when it comes to keeping your emotions in control and managing and making your relationships around better. So use it for your meditation purpose. It will work like wonders for you. Take care of yourself. This month is very important. And let me close the reading with a beautiful card, which is a relationship card, since this reading is all about relationship here, and all the emotions what I'm getting from you and your cards is indicating towards ups and downs in relationship. So let's close the reading with a very beautiful message for your relationship, and that card is always in line with your reading, whatever we have read. So let's quickly get ahead. Here we are. So I think the problem here is that you want to be right always. So at times it is not about being right, Cancerans. It is at times that even if you're right or if you're wrong, at times what becomes more important is to save the relationship, or save that moment to get spoiled, or reach at a stage from where you cannot ever get that back, or get that person back to you. Okay, leave your ego. It is not important to always get a yes from people, and at times it is also important that you give up. You say sorry, you say I'm sorry, you say I love you, you say I miss you. Those are the aspects, small aspects, which will make your relationship very beautiful. And the card says that it is not always about being right or wrong, it is about saving the relationship. So please keep it in mind when you're dealing with people around you in this month. Take care, God bless you, and be connected and stay there with Blossom Life Tarot family. Thank you.